So, you're trying to authenticate your domain in GetResponse, but either you're stuck or you just want to get it done fast. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to authenticate your domain in GetResponse step by step, but I'll also point out a few issues with their system that most people don't talk about, and if you stick around. I'll even show you a better alternative with an exclusive extended free trial. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to GetResponse and click on your profile in the top right. Head over to Manage Account, then find email addresses under Email Marketing. Add your domain-based email if you haven't already, and GetResponse will ask you to verify it. But here's the catch, verifying an email isn't the same as authenticating your domain. You need to do both. Next, go to Email Authentication in your account settings. Here, you'll see options to enable DKIM authentication for your domain. DKIM helps prove to email providers that your emails aren't spam. Click on your domain and copy the TXT record they provide. Now, log in to your domain registrar. This is where you bought your domain, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare. Head to your DNS settings and create a new TXT record. Paste the DKIM value from GetResponse, save it, and go back to GetResponse to verify. Here's where some people get stuck. DNS changes can take up to 24 hours to fully update. If GetResponse doesn't verify your domain instantly, give it some time and check back later. Now, here's the issue with GetResponse's authentication process. Unlike some competitors, GetResponse doesn't provide SPF or mark setup by default, which means your emails are more likely to land in spam or promotions instead of the inbox. If you're serious about email deliverability, you should manually add these records to your DNS as well. If you want a more streamlined email marketing platform with built-in authentication tools that improve deliverability and make setup easier, check out the exclusive link in the description. Not only will you get an extended free trial for a recommended alternative, but I've also included some other top options that are even better for optimizing your email campaigns. Check them out below, and I'll see you in the next one.